Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Scorpios. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and your love energy, Scorpios. So, these are for your daily energy, Scorpios. This is for your career situation, and this is for your love reading, and one card from the wisdom oracle deck. So that will be a general guidance, what we can follow to make things go in a better harmonious way, guys. So this is the card here, Scorpios. We will open these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let's start with the daily reading first. It's Six of Wands in reverse, Queen of Swords in reverse, Judgment in reverse, Scorpios. So these cards may relate to our personal life situation or our career situation, guys. So something in your personal situation or someone is not telling the truth. They are hiding something, guys, and they are trying to deceive you. It may be a circumstance, it may be a choice, it may be a person. So truth is not being revealed to you in totality, guys. So you may not have that clear knowledge about that, so you need to be really careful, Scorpios, in whatever choices that you make for yourself. Some important choices or some path you choose for yourself, you have to do with that carefulness, guys. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, you may be having some minor illness, or people from your family or this person, they may have some illness, guys. So that may again be stressing you, making you worried because of that. That is also the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you, in your situation today, it may be in your career situation or personal life situation, guys. There are certain troubles in your situation, guys, obstacles that you're facing today, something stressing you, and people you are with, maybe in your career, your employees or someone, maybe your team leader or your colleague, someone, they are not truthful to you. So you don't know whether you can trust them and rely on them for the truth, for whatever they say. Whatever they say, it may not be the truth, guys. That is also what I see here. And maybe for some of you, something of the past, maybe some choices that you made for yourself that would have gone wrong, got suspended, or some delays. So something of that sort, that is coming towards you, guys. Again, that has revived and that is coming towards you. Maybe it may be something to do with your work, maybe some projects, some financial agreements, whatever you would have felt that has come to an end, that has revived again, guys. So that is what I see with these cards for your daily reading, Scorpios. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, guys. The Hermit. So in your career situation today, guys, you are thinking deeply what is your next plan of action. You have that deep knowledge and you're waiting for the right time to decide and make that move. And you are a person who has a great knowledge in your position today, in your career, and you are a great inspiration to many people, and people look up to you for guidance and support because of that knowledge, and you may help them, guys. That is what I see with this card. And You know what you need to do in any situation. So people come to you for suggestions. They want your guidance in certain things in your career. Maybe you hold an important position in work. That is also what I see with this card here, guys. But you are just waiting for the right time. That is also what I see here with this card, guys. Scorpio. So let us see what is the card for your relationship, guys. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card for your relationship, you may be successful in your life. You may hold an important position. Your status may be good. All that is there. You may have this understanding with this person, but still they feel that in some ways you are trying to dominate them, control them, guys. You are a very dominating person. That is what they feel, or trying to control them in some decisions when in your life, maybe regarding certain situations, or generally in general, maybe. So you want them to be just like you wish them to be. So they may feel that you are too controlling, guys. It may be because of your financial position or the way they that you are. You may be a very stubborn person. That is also what I see here, guys, with this card. So let us see what is the oracle guidance for your Scorpios. No place like home. So with this card, guys, the guidance in whatever situation we are in, guys, let it be our career or let it be our personal life, we have to feel that comfort and security. And in order to feel that comfort, security, we have to have honesty in our actions, in the words we speak, and in the way of life. That is what this card is about, guys. That authenticity. When we embrace authenticity, it will give us great power and strength. So in our relationship, guys, when we have that authenticity in our relationship, if we love that person, and if that person reciprocates that true love to us, we will feel safe and comfortable in that relationship. So we will know that the true love that is in our heart towards that person is being reciprocated. So we will build that relationship on that true love, and it will move towards that positivity, guys, that connection. The same way in our career situation also, whatever choices that we make, if we are true to that goals that we have in ourselves, we will move towards that greater potential for success, guys. Our work will progress in a very positive way. So that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading for your Scorpios. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.